another place. Okay, animal can move from one place to another place. So in animal, for doing different work, for different functions, different types of tissues are present. Listen me. In animal, for the movement, muscular tissue is present. Which tissue present for the movement? Muscular tissue. Muscular tissue contract and relax, help in the movement. Second, in animal, for the protection, special types of tissue is present. That is the epithelium tissue, which protect inner organ. Next, in animal, for transportation of the substance. Example, taking O2, giving out CO2, removing of CO2, and beta, transport of O2, the special type of tissue present. Transport of food, special type of tissue is present, and that tissue is called blood. That is a connective tissue. Connective tissue help in transportation of substance in different part of the animal body, and for transportation of impulse, special tissue present in animal, that is called the nervous tissue. Okay, listen me. In plant, according to the function, 4 type of special tissues are present, beta. In plant, 4 type of tissues are present. What are that? First is the epithelium tissue for protection, protect inner organ, form outer line. Second is called the connective tissue. Connective tissue transport different substance in different part of the body. That is called the muscular tissue, help in movement. And the 4th tissue is called the nervous tissue that transport the impulse. Okay, any doubt you can ask me question?
Ma'am, function of epithelium.
Function of epithelium. Epithelium is a protective tissue. Protect the inner organ. I will take epithelium tissue later. Okay? Any doubt? No?
Ma'am, please repeat connective tissue.
Connective tissue transport different substance in different part of the animal body. Example, food. Example, oxygen. Remove waste material. Okay? Example, blood. Blood is a connective tissue. Now I am taking first of all epithelium tissue. Yes, I am taking epithelium tissue. You know, epithelium tissue form outermost covering of the animal. What is that? Epithelium tissue form outermost covering of the animal. Outermost covering is formed by the epithelium tissue. Epithelium tissue cells are tightly packed and form the continuous layer. Epithelium tissue cells tightly packed and formed continuous layer. Cells are joined by the matrix beta. In between, no intercellular gap. In between, gap is absent. Intercellular gap is absent. And these cells are tightly packed and form the continuous layer and joined by the matrix. Okay? Epithelium cell where found? The epithelium tissue where present? Epithelium tissue is formed outermost covering of the animal. The animal outermost covering is formed by the epithelium tissue. Second, epithelium tissue form the inner organ lining. Example, kidney lining, kidney tubules lining. The inner organ outer lining is formed by the epithelium tissue. And outermost covering is formed by the epithelium tissue. Okay, now epithelium tissue is types of epithelium I am taking. 2 types of epithelium tissues are there. The one is called the simple epithelium tissue and second is called compound epithelium tissue, beta. First is called the simple epithelium tissue. Yes, beta. Simple epithelium tissue is made up of the single layer of the epithelium tissue. Simple epithelium tissue made up of single layer of the epithelium tissue, beta. And it is found in which area where more wear and tear is not allowed. Yani, it is found in that area where damaging is less. Generally, the damaging is not found there. That simple epithelium tissue is found where the wear and tear is less. Yani, breaking of the tissue is less there. Now, I am taking the cell, simple epithelium tissue is less wear and tear. Means less wear and tear is present. Again, simple epithelium tissue divide in the three types. Simple epithelium tissue divide again in the three types. First is called the squamous epithelium. What is that? Squamous epithelium on the basis of the function. Squamous epithelium cells are the flat. Squamous epithelium cells are flat, thin. Nucleus is present, flat, thin, polygonal. Nucleus is present. Where squamous epithelium is found? Squamous epithelium is present in lungs alveoli. Where it is present? In lungs alveoli. What is the function in lungs alveoli, beta? Help in exchange of gases. You know what is the function of the lungs? What is the function of the lungs? Lungs help in exchange of the gases. Okay. So squamous epithelium present in lungs alveoli. In alveoli, exchange of gases take place. So what is the function of a squamous epithelium? Help in exchange of gases in lungs alveoli. Second, it is also present in the mouth. Third, it is also present in the buccal cavity. It is also present in the esophagus. Okay. Now I am taking next type of. If you have any doubt, you can ask me question, beta. If you have any doubt, you can ask me question. Yes, any doubt? No doubt, beta? Okay. I'm taking the next type of simple epithelium. What is that? Cuboidal. Cuboidal epithelium cells are cube-like. Which shape? Cube-like. Nucleus present, flat nucleus present, cube-like polygonal cells. Where it is found? It is found in gonad. But what is a gonad? Gonads are the reproductive organ. What is the function in gonad? Help in formation of the egg and sperm. What is the function of cuboidal epithelium in gonad? Help in formation of egg or sperm. Okay. Or it is also present. Where it is present? In the kidney tubule. Cuboidal is also present in the kidney tubule where it is help in reabsorption of water. What is the function? Help in reabsorption of water. Clear? Again I am repeating cuboidal. Cuboidal epithelium, cube-shaped, nucleus present, tightly packed, present in the gonad tissue. What is the function? Help in formation of egg and sperm. Next, it is also found in kidney tubule. What is the function there, beta? Help in reabsorption of water. Yes, beta. If you have any doubt, you can ask me question. If you have any doubt, you can ask me question. Yes. Yes, beta. Speak loudly. Pardon? माइक को म्यूट करो अपने आवाज आ रही घर से नेक्स्ट columnar epithelium columnar epithelium is a third type of epithelium beta listen me columnar epithelium long stalk like nucleus present lower side nucleus is present in lower side where the columnar
Ma'am, voice is not coming.
Ma'am, voice is not coming.
Again, I am going to repeat. Listen me. Columnar epithelium. Columnar epithelium. Long stalk cell. Nucleus present lower side. And where it is present in intestinal wall. In intestinal wall, columnar epithelium present. What is the function? Secretion and absorption. Help in secretion and absorption. Okay. Now, some columnar cells are specialized for doing the work. Which are, I am taking here, some columnar cells are specialized. Some columnar cells are formed when in columnar cell, cilia are present. In columnar cell, cilia are present. That is called the ciliated columnar. Two type of columnar. Again, I am taking here the one ciliated columnar. What is a ciliated columnar? In columnar cell, cilia present. That is called the ciliated columnar. Where it is present? It present in trachea. What is the function? Help in movement of mucus in one direction. It is also present in fallopian tube. What is the function? Allow movement of egg in one direction, beta. Columnar epithelium, again I am repeating, beta. Columnar epithelium present in which the cilia is present. It is found in fallopian tube. What is the function? Help in movement of egg in one direction. It is also present in trachea. You know about the trachea. Trachea, it is also called the windpipe by which air pass. In trachea, it allows the movement of mucus in one direction. Now the second type of columnar. The columnars are modified and formed unicellular gland. What is formed? It formed the unicellular gland. What is the name that gland? Unicellular gland. That is called the goblet cell. In some columnar cells are modified in unicellular gland. That is called the goblet cell. It present in the stomach and secrete the mucus. Where it is present? It present in the stomach and secrete the mucus. It is also our sweat and oil gland, also formed by the columnar epithelium. Okay. Again, I am repeating. Columnar epithelium. This is called the glandular epithelium. One I am taking already I am taking columnar, ciliated columnar. Now I am taking glandular epithelium. Glandular epithelium modified from the unicellular gland. And that cell is called the goblet cell. It is present in the stomach, secrete the mucus. It is also present in sebaceous gland, formation of the sweat, oil gland, that is also formed by the glandular epithelium. Any doubt, you can ask me question, beta.
Ma'am,
Yes, any doubt?
glandular epithelium is a type of columnar epithelium.
Glandular epithelium is a special type of, yani columnar epithelium is are modified. And yani columnar epithelium mein you can take when the cilia present, it's a type. When a cilia present, it is called the ciliated columnar. It is found in the trachea tube. One more modification of the simple epithelium, that is called the glandular epithelium. It is a types modification of the epithelium tissue. What is that? Modification of columnar. इसको आप types भी बोल सकते हो. You can also say modification of columnar epithelium. Two modification है. One, they modified in a glandular epithelium and from the goblet cell, which secrete the mucus, or it also from the sebaceous gland, which secrete the sweat, oil. Okay, or ciliary columnar is also example for that. Yes, any doubt? Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
You can ask.
No, ma'am.
I'm taking second type of epithelium tissue, that is called the compound epithelium. Yes, listen me. Compound epithelium is made up of many layers of cell. Compound epithelium is made up of many layers of epithelium cell. These cells are the squamous cells. Example is skin. Our body outer covering, all animal outer covering is formed by compound epithelium. All animal, please mute करो अपने माइक को, घर से आवाज आ रही है. All animal outer covering is formed by compound epithelium. Compound epithelium is made up of squamous epithelium. Please mute करो माइक को. Made up of squamous epithelium, many layer. Squamous epithelium, many layer, So it is also called the stratified squamous epithelium. It is also called stratified squamous epithelium. And what is the function? It helps in protection. Okay. So compound epithelium is made up of many layers of squamous epithelium. Okay. And it is also called the stratified squamous epithelium. Okay. What is the function? Help in protections. It is a protective layer. It's from the protective layer. Now listen me. What are the function of epithelium tissue? First, epithelium tissue from the outer covering of the organ. Or second, epithelium tissue from the outer covering of the animal body. Third function, epithelium tissue as a glandular tissue. As a glandular tissue, secrete sweat, oil, or mucus in stomach. Next function, epithelium tissue membrane is a permeable control on entry and exit of the substance inside the cell. Control in exit or entry of the substance inside the cell. Okay? You have any doubt, you can ask me question. Yes, beta. Sad. Any doubt, you can ask me question. Yes, beta, any doubt? Ask me question.